Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So back on our pancake series. On this channel we have beetroot pancakes, carrot pancakes, cerelac pancakes, banana pancakes, and you name some of them. Today we are going to be making the spicy hot pancake. These are our ingredients: flour, onions, pepper, yes, pepper, 2 eggs, okay, some sugar, and then salt. I'm going to leave all the measurements in the description box, of course some water. So I'm going to start by blending the onions and the pepper very roughly, not thinly, not finely. I want it rough so that you can see some particles of the pepper and the onions when you fry the pancakes. So I go ahead to put in all my ingredients in any order. You don't have to follow any order, okay? I just pour in everything together, but it's nice to put the water and then the sugar, especially if you're using cubes of sugar. If you have granulated sugar, then that's better, but since I'm using cubes, I wanted to soak up the sugar in the water. So I go ahead now to mix everything together. I have put in my flour, my sugar, my salt, my pepper, my onions, and my eggs. Now you know how when you make pancakes in the morning, it could be your regular pancakes like maybe banana pancakes or just plain pancakes, yogurt pancakes, whatever, and you put it in your lunch pack. You take it maybe to work or to school. By the time you're ready to eat, it's very cold. It's maybe it has been sweating, like because it was hot when you put it in and then you shut it, so it's been sweating, it has gotten cold, and it doesn't feel the same anymore in the mouth. But with this spicy hot pancake, when you keep it, it still tastes really nice. I kept some and I had it around midday, and it was still very nice. It didn't feel like the pancake was cold because there's something in the pancake that gives it that extra heat. So I'm calling on you to try out this hot spicy pancake. Now I know that Africans, we like spicy stuff, so even when we make foods that don't need pepper, some of us, we carry pepper and we add there. So you want to try out this spicy pancake recipe and tell me how it turns out for you. If this is your first time on this channel, please do me well to subscribe. I have amazing recipes on here. You want to try them out. So this is how a pancake turned out. Normally, I did the first video on our pancake series. I talked about the difference between pancakes and crepes. So actually, because I'm making it really light, some people will call it crepe, but I'm calling them pancakes, and I like it when I have these brown edges that I can chew up on, and it makes it crunchy. Some parts are soft, some parts are crunchy. It gives it a nice balance. And then the pepper and the onions. I've seen people make pancakes without pepper and they put in just onions. And the first time I saw it, I was like, when I tried it, it was amazing. You want to try out. Do you see how the pepper and the onions are peeping out in the pancakes? It's really delicious. You want to try it out. It's amazing. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bells. Bye.